Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. S.P. Sood, retired Associate Professor and Head, Department of Library and Information Science, University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Today we are discussing module Rendering of Headings in CCC and ACR 2R, Personal Authorship, Shared Authorship, and works produced under editorial direction under paper Knowledge Organizational Structure Cataloging. It cannot be imagined a book without its author. However, author may be given on the title page or it may not be recorded on title page. Books whose author is not given on the title page is known as anonymous books. Further, author of a book can be a person or a corporate body. In this module, we will confine our study up to personal authorship. Objectives of the module. The objectives of the module are as follows. First, to discuss author and its various types. Second, to discuss the rules of single personal authorship of CCC and ACR 2R. Third, to discuss the rules of shared personal authorship in CCC and ACR 2R. Fourth, to discuss the rules of works produced under editorial direction in CCC and ACR 2R. Definition of author and its various types. CCC defines author of a work in two senses. In sense 1, person creating the work, that is, the thought and expression constituting it. Sense 2, corporate body owning responsibility for a work, that is, for the thought and the expression constituting it. ACR 1 defines author as the person or corporate body chiefly responsible for the creation of intellectual or artistic content of a work, for example, the writer of a book, the compiler of a bibliography, the composer of a musical work, the artist who paints a picture, the photographer who takes a photograph. On the analysis of the definitions of CCC and ACR 2, we find that both the courts have recognized two types of authorship. First is personal authorship, second is impersonal authorship, that is corporate authorship. Personal author. When a person in his individual capacity assumes responsibility for the creation of the idea and expression contained in a book, it is known as personal author. In ACR 2R glossary, personal author has been defined as the person chiefly responsible for the creation of the intellectual or artistic content of a work. CCC defines personal author as person as author, the responsibility for the thought and the expression constituting the work resting solely on his private capacity and not on the capacity of any office being held by him within a corporate body, nor on the capacity of the body. As such, when a person writes a book in his personal capacity, he is known as personal author. Personal authorship is further divided in CCC as single personal author and joint personal author. ACR 2R divides the personal authorship as single personal author and shared responsibility. Rules of CCC for personal author. CCC rule number MD1 prescribes that the heading is to be consist of the earliest of the following which the document admits. First, name of a personal author. Second, the names of joint personal authors. The rendering of personal author will be as per rule MD21, in which it is suggested to follow rules of chapter JA as follows. One-worded name. As per rule JA3, the rendering of a title page name consists of one word only is to write it as it occurs in the title page. For example, Homer, Kalidas. One fully spelled out word only. As per rule JA4, the rendering of a title page name consisting of one and only one fully spelled out word, though preceded by initials, is to write the fully spelled out word as the entry element and to write the expansion of the initials as the secondary element. Example, Srivastava, AP. Year of person. As per rule JA5, the year of birth of the person is to be added as a further individualizing element after the secondary element. Example, Ranganathan, SR, 1892-1972. Multi-worded name. CCC rule JA6 prescribes that for the rendering of a title page name consisting of two or more words, it should first be reduced to the entry name, and the entry element and the secondary element should be separated out with the aid of the definitions. The rendering is to consist successively of entry element, secondary element, and years of the person. Hyphenated entry element. If the elements of a compound surname is hyphenated, it is known as hyphenated entry element. Rule JA61 prescribes the following rendering. Example, Killer Coach, within bracket, Arthur Thomas. Two-worded entry element. Names with two-worded entry element will be rendered as prescribed under rule JA64. For example, it will be rendered as Das Gupta, within bracket AK, within second bracket, 1915. Three-worded entry element. Names with three-worded entry element will be rendered as prescribed under rule JA65. For example, Basu Ray Chaudhary, within bracket 1870-1925. Split-worded given names without surnames. Split-worded given names without surnames will be rendered as prescribed under rule JA68. For example, Anand Prakash, within bracket, his year of birth, that is 1945, Abdul Karim, within bracket, 1955. Rules of ACR2R. ACR2R rule number 21.4a prescribes that enter a work, a collection of works, or selections from a work, or works by one personal author under the heading for the person whether named in the item being catalogued or not. Rule number 22.4a prescribes that if a person's name consists of several parts, select as the entry element that part of the name under which the person would normally be listed in authoritative alphabetic lists in his or her language or country of residence of activity. This is the general rule. It creates a problem to to decide the commonly known name. Structure of personal names vary from country to country. Generally, European names are entered under the last part of the name, which is the surname. Example, Virginia Woolf. Selections from her essays. Main entry would be under the heading for Woolf. Name without surname. ACR 2R rule number 22.4b2 prescribes that if the entry element is the first element of the name, enter the name in direct order. Example, Ram Gopal. Entry under surname. ACR rule 22.5a prescribes that enter a name containing a surname under that surname unless subsequent rules provide for entry under a different element. Rule number 22.4b3 prescribes that if the entry element is not the first element of the name, transpose the elements of the name preceding the entry element. Follow the entry by a comma. Example, Cassette, Mary. Bayat, AS. Compound surname. ACR 2R rule number 22.5c2 prescribes that enter a name containing a compound surname under the element by which the person bearing the name prefers to be entered. If this is unknown, enter the name under the element under which it is listed in reference sources in the person's language or country or residence or activity. Rule number 22.5c4 prescribes that enter under the first element of the compound surname. For example, Johnson Smith, Geoffrey. Casters, Saint Martin, Gaston. Hyphenated surnames. ACR 2R rule number 22.5c3 prescribes that if the elements of a compound surname are regularly or occasionally hyphenated, enter under the first element. For example, Day-Lewis, C. ACR 2 rule number 1F1 prescribes to transcribe statements of responsibility appearing prominently in the item in the form in which they appear there. If the statement of responsibility is taken from a source other than the chief source of information, enclose it in square brackets. Example, Principles of Auditing by J. N. Saxena. Joint authors. CCC defines joint authors as two or more authors, personal or corporate, sharing responsibility for the thought and expression constituting the work, the portion for which each is separately responsible nor being either specified or separable. ACR2R defines it as a person who collaborates with one or more other persons to produce a work in relation to which the collaborators perform the same function. ACR2R also treats term shared responsibility equal to joint author and defines shared responsibility as collaboration between two or more persons or bodies performing the same kind of activity in the creation of the content of an item. The contribution of each may form a separate and distinct part of them, or the contribution of each may not be separable from that of others. As such, joint personal author means author producing works collaborating with two or more personal authors, and all the joint authors are responsible for the thought contents jointly and their work is not separable. Rules of CCC. CCC divides joint personal authors into following two categories from the cataloging point of view. First is two personal authors, second is three or more personal authors. Two personal authors. Two joint personal authors are rendered as per rule AMD 32, which prescribes that if the title page contains the names of two and only two joint authors, both the names are to be used as heading. The names are to be written in the sequence in which they occur on the title page with the conjunction and connecting them. Example is Srivastava SN and Verma SC. As per rule MK111 and MK112, two book index entries from the names of both the authors will be prepared. In first author book index entry, the names of the authors will be rendered in the same sequence as their names appear in heading of main entry. In second book index entry, author book index entry, their names will be permuted. For example, second author's name will come first and first author's name will come later. Example: Srivastava SN and Verma SC in first book index entry, and in second book index entry, they will be rendered as Verma SC and Srivastava SN. Three or more personal authors. CCC rule MD33 prescribes that if the title page contains the names of three or more joint authors, the names of the first mentioned author alone is to be used as the heading, and the words and others are to be added thereafter. In this case, only one author book index entry will be prepared under the author given in the heading section of the main entry. For example, Jain, within brackets Suresh Chandra, and others. Rules of ACR2R. Principal responsibility indicated. Two or three authors and principal responsibility indicated. ACR2R rule number 21.6b1 prescribes that if in a work of shared responsibility, principal responsibility is attributed by the wording or by the layout of the chief source of information of item being catalogued to one person or corporate body, enter under the heading for that person or body. If the another person or corporate body appears first in the chief source of information, make an added entry under the heading for that person or body. Make added entries under the heading for other persons or bodies involved if there are not more than two. Example: Critical Hematology by M. Bentrobe, G. Richardley, and Dan R. Boggs. Dan R. Boggs is given in capital letters or in darker letters. Main entry heading will be under principal author, that is Boggs, Dan, and in responsibility area, names of all the three authors will be given in this sequence, and two added entries will be prepared under the first and second author respectively, that is Bentrobe MM and Richardley G. More than three authors and principal responsibility indicated. ACR2R rule number 21.6b1 discussed above will also be applicable on books written by more than three authors. However, as more than three authors are involved, the one of them is principal author, the main entry will be made under the principal author and the added entry will be made under the first named author only. Example: Diagnostic and Attainment Testing, a Manual of Test by H. Stewart Murdoch, Colin Gibson, third author Martin B. Davidson, and Frank Horace John. In this case, fourth author is indicated as principal author. Main entry heading will be under John, Frank Horace, and in responsibility area only first name author will be given, and added entry will be prepared under the first named author, that is Murdoch, H. Stewart. Principal responsibility not indicated. 2 or 3 joint authors and principal responsibility not indicated. ACR 2R rule number 21.6C1 prescribes that if responsibility is shared between 2 or 3 or persons or bodies and principal responsibility is not attributed to any of them by wording or layout, enter under the heading for the one named first, make added entries under the heading for the others. Example: Health for Effective Living by Edward Jones, Wilfred C. Sutton, Lloyd E. Webster. Main entry under Jones, Edward, and added entries under Sutton, Wilfred C. and Webster, Lloyd E. will be prepared. Second example is A Student's History of Education in India by J.P. Nayak and Gyanchand Negi. Main entry will be under Nayak J.P. and added entry under Negi Gyanchand will be prepared. Works produced under editorial direction. In some books, name of author is not given and they are edited or compiled by one or more persons. Such works are known as collections and works produced under editorial direction. In both the codes CCC and ACR 2R, separate rules are prescribed for the choice and rendering of heading. Rules of CCC. CCC Rule MD51 prescribes that if the title page does not give the name of a personal author or the names of joint personal authors or indicate corporate authorship or give a pseudonym or pseudonyms in the author statement but contains the names of a collaborator, that name is to be used as heading and a descriptive element is to be added thereafter indicating the role of the person. For example, Quiller-Coach within bracket Arthur within second bracket 1863, ED underline. Saxena within bracket AK, compile and TR. Compile and TR are underlined. Sharma BN, compile, underline. CCC rule MD52 is for many kinds of collaborators and prescribes that if the title page gives the name of each of 2 or more of the kinds of collaborators enumerated in the name belonging to one and only one kind is to be chosen as heading. The name of the one making a more important contribution than the other is to be chosen. Example: the Vedanta Sutra with the commentary of Ramanuja translated by George Thibaut. The heading is to be Ramanuja, commentator, underline. One added entry under the name of translator will be prepared. CCC rule MD54 is for joint collaborators, which prescribes that if the title page gives 2 or more names of category contributing to the heading is to be written on the analogy of rule MD3, that is 2 or 3 or more authors. Jain within bracket AK and Sharma within bracket BK, comma ED underline. Saxena within bracket Anand Prakash and others, comma ED underline. Rules of ACR 2R. Works produced under editorial direction are treated in ACR 2R under rule number 21.7V1, prescribing that enter a work falling in one of the categories given in rule number 21.7A1 under the title. It has a collective title. If it has a collective title, make added entries under the headings for the compilers / editors if there are not more than 3 and if they are named prominently in the item being catalogued. If there are more than 3 compilers / editors named prominently, make an added entry under the heading for the principal compiler / editor and or for the one named first. Examples: a dictionary of music and musicians edited by Sir George Grove will be rendered as main entry under title added entry under the editor as Grove's Sir George. Second example is Microbiology, a guide to the laboratory diagnosis and control of infection, edited by Professor Robert Cruikshank, Dr. J.P. Duguid and Dr. R.H.A. Swain, will be rendered as main entry under title and added entries under each editor. The Oxford Dictionary of Quotations, compiled by Dr. R.W. Chapman, will be rendered as main entry under the title and added entry under compiler. So students, let us summarize what we have learned in this module. We have learned definition of author and its various types, as well as definition of personal author and its various types. We have also learned rules of CCC of one-worded personal name, one fully spelled out word only, multi-worded name, hyphenated entry element, two-worded entry element, three-worded entry element, split-worded given names without surnames, as well as rules of ACR2R for names without surname, entry under surname, compound surname, and hyphenated surname. Rules of joint authors, that is 2 or 3 or more personal authors of CCC, and rules of 2 or 3 personal author principal responsibility not indicated or indicated, more than 3 authors principal responsibility indicated or not indicated of ACR2R have also been discussed. Thank you.